Ever wonder why some Baltimore auto shops explode with customers while others barely survive? It's not just skill, it's reviews. Imagine your shop glowing on Google like a lighthouse in a stormy sea. Each 5-star review? A beacon pulling in a flood of new clients. Here's the twist. Partnering with America's Best Shops agency turns this dream into your reality. They don't just collect reviews, they craft trust. Visualize your shop's reputation skyrocketing overnight, transforming quiet days into backup lines of eager customers. But wait, what if you're missing out on thousands of potential customers because your reviews are invisible? America's Best Shops uses cutting-edge strategies to spotlight your business where it matters most. Picture your phone ringing off the hook, your bays packed, and your crew buzzing with success. It's more than marketing. It's a movement to make your Baltimore auto shop the place people trust. Ready to flip the switch on your success? Think about this. How many customers are avoiding your shop right now because they can't find those golden reviews? Don't let your story stay hidden in the shadows. Step into the spotlight and watch your shop soar.